This is the construction for the midsegment of a triangle. So first thing I'm going to do is get a triangle on my paper. And again, any kind of triangle is fine. So let's call this triangle ABC, and we want to construct the midsegment of this triangle. A midsegment is a segment in a triangle that has endpoints that are midpoints of the sides of the triangle. So for example, if I wanted to find the midsegment with midpoints of sides AB and BC, I would need to locate the midpoint on this segment, and then it would be, the midsegment would be the segment that connected those two endpoints. And in order to find the midpoint of a segment, we use the perpendicular bisector construction. So again, this is a problem where we need to do the perpendicular bisector 2 times. So I'm going to open more than halfway from B, from A. And this is going to let us find the midpoint of segment AB. So right here is one midpoint. And I'm going to have to do it again for side CB. And this one I didn't make quite long enough, so I'm just going to go back and make that longer. Right, there's my second perpendicular bisector. There's my midpoint right there. So my midsegment is the segment that connects those two midpoints. So we can call that segment DE would be a midsegment of the triangle. And just a couple things to keep in mind about midsegments. Your midsegment is parallel to the third side of the triangle, and it's also half the length. So your scale factor is either going to be 1/2 or 2. And in fact, this is exactly how we would do a construction for a dilation of 1/2. If we wanted to dilate triangle ABC by 1/2, and my center of dilation was point B, I would do the same thing. I would construct those two midpoints, and then I would have my image, which was the triangle that has side lengths that are half the length of my pre-image.